best solution. Because you need to be the best. In entrepreneurship, there is no second. Always keep in mind. There has to be your effort has to be the best. So if you might have studied management in article plus statement, it says even to be in the race, you need to be on the top. You cannot be second. You cannot focus on second. So that's why you need to have the best innovative solution as per your capacity, as per your capability. That is one thing. Second thing is you need to understand what really the market needs or customer needs. Because you cannot say that it's my way or it's my way. See there, you have to think about who you are providing solution. So that is the most important thing. Until unless you understand your customer, you really cannot deal with the solution. You really cannot sell your solution. So achieving financial independence is done only by providing solution. So now you have the problem, you have the solution. Now the things coming into the picture is your execution. So there